get ready for a POV night car photography. So we're at the ground level right now. It is a little bit windy, so let's hope the audio is not going to be total shit. And let's get this party started. Okay, so let's start with a simple shot so I can kick this off. I'm on the Corniche Street right now. One, I think I butchered that name, but it is what it is. And two, I came on this side of the road because here are passing by a lot of cars, and I really need to be like careful with how I'm shooting the cars because I don't want to like be in front of people or stuff like that, because that's not really permitted here. So we'll see how this thing will go, and then probably we're gonna move on some buildings. Okay, so this one right here should be a pretty good spot to do some panning car shots, but I need to wait until the traffic on this side is off so I can capture the cars on the other side. And let's hope we're lucky to like catch some good cars. And I missed this G-Class as well because I was really focused to see if I got that bus in focus. It was pretty funny because the police was stopping right next to me and they were giving me the okay sign so I can shoot cars. But for 1 second I thought like, oh, trouble. I don't know what's wrong with the traffic tonight, because in all the other nights that I was here, the traffic was full with cool cars, and right now I can't really find them. I think I got that Ford F-150, but I'm not sure, so I need to check at home. Alright, that being said, probably tonight is not my night, so I'm just gonna like stay here for 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna try the other street in front as well. This is going to be a failed video. Alright, let's change the spot. Okay, so that street over there is the street that I was talking about, so let's hope that we're gonna get lucky there. Okay, so while I was waiting to go on this side, I got a BMW, but the action cam wasn't turned on, so you're just gonna see the photos on the screen right now. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, the other part of the street is a little luckier than this part, so we're gonna go on that side. Okay, so now that I got on this side, let's hope that I'm gonna see some cool cars on this side, because otherwise I'm gonna rename this video again in something like failing at car night photography or failing at night photography in Abu Dhabi. And now there are cooler cars on that side. I don't know what's happening. And probably the battery on the action cam is half done already. So when this is going to be dead, I'm gonna go back home. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get that Mustang. And while I was trying to get a fucking Mustang, the R35, I missed the R35. Let's hope he's gonna come on this side. Let's see if I got that fucking Mustang in focus. But at least I got it in focus in one of those photos. Okay, so no luck for me because the R35 is not coming on this side. I think that was a Range Rover SVR. I don't know if I got it in focus. Yes, at least this one I got in focus. That's gonna end up in the final video, if there's going to be any video. Oh ho ho! Let's get this BMW. Okay, so let's see if we got that BMW. And I think I have a half decent photo, so with a little bit of editing magic, this is going to look alright. So I'm gonna stay here for another traffic stream, and then I'm gonna change the spot again. On this side, I think I got only that Range Rover and that half decent photo with that BMW. So I'm just gonna change the spot again. Alright, as you can see, I'm back home already, and I have a couple of things to say. Number one, I don't know why I thought that this is going to be a little easier, because this was my first time when I tried this kind of video. And I think I was kind of pressured because I filmed this thing like 3 hours before I left, so probably that was one of the reasons why I failed, if I can say that. Number two, like I said, this was my first time when I tried this kind of video, and now I understand that sometimes it can be like that. You can record like the whole night, and at the end you're not gonna have a video. So it is what it is. Now let's talk a little bit about the photos. So this photo right here with the BMW, the Series 4, this is how it's looking before. And this is how it's looking after. So what I try to do here, I try to like layer this kind of like fog or mist or whatever you want to call it, just to like give it a more cinematic type of look, because I had other like elements in this photo that I didn't really like and I couldn't like just erase. So that's why this photo is looking like that. And this one right here is probably my favorite with the Audi. This is how it's looking before, and this is how it's looking after. And I think I'm gonna print it and I'm gonna like put it on the wall or something. So that being said, even if I failed, I'm still gonna try to do this kind of videos in the future. So probably you're gonna see a lot of videos of this type on my channel. Let's hope they're not gonna be like failed ones like this one. But yeah, there is a learning curve, so it is what it is. Alright, so this conclusion wraps up today's video. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.